We'll guide you through how to warp jerseys Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Photoshop and load the photograph of the person wearing the original jersey you want to replace. First, isolate the original shirt so your new design has an accurate template to follow. Navigate to the left toolbar and select the Quick Selection tool or Object Selection tool. Carefully click and drag across the original jersey until Photoshop creates a clean selection outline around the shirt fabric. Once the jersey is fully selected, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Cmd+J on Mac to duplicate only the isolated shirt onto its own transparent layer. Next, go to the top menu bar, click File, and select Place Embedded to import your new flat jersey design or graphic pattern. Browse your computer, choose the correct design file, and click Place. In the Layers panel, ensure the new design layer sits directly above the isolated jersey layer you created earlier. Right-click on the new design layer and select Convert to Smart Object so the graphic maintains quality during transformations. At the top of the Layers panel, temporarily lower the opacity of the new design layer to around 50%. This allows you to clearly see the player's body underneath for more accurate alignment. Press Ctrl+T or Cmd+T to activate Free Transform. Right-click inside the transform box and select Warp. A 3x3 grid will appear over the design. Carefully drag the 4 outer corner anchor points to align the shoulders, waist, and overall proportions with the player's body shape. Then, adjust the internal grid intersections to bend and shape the chest and torso areas so the flat design curves naturally around the body's three-dimensional form. Take your time refining the Bezier handles until the design flows realistically with the body. Once satisfied, press Enter to confirm the warp transformation. Return the layer opacity to 100%. To perfectly trim the design to the shirt shape, hover your cursor over the dividing line between the warp design layer and the isolated jersey layer beneath it. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac until the cursor changes. Then click once to create a clipping mask. Your design will instantly fit the shirt silhouette. Finally, for photorealistic results, change the blend mode from normal to multiply or linear burn so original shadows, wrinkles, and lighting naturally blend through the new jersey design.